Today we will learn how to fix the black screen issue that you are facing on the OBS software. Like it is in front of you, you are facing that it is the black screen. You are not facing the live screen in display capture mode or OBS software. Here it is on my screen it is working, and I will tell you that how to fix the black screen issue that you are facing on your OBS software in display capture. You have to change only two settings. I will tell you it one by one. First, go to your systems settings, systems information, and I have opened this, and you are seeing that it is a 64-bit operating systems, and it is Windows 10. So the next step is to check the OBS software properties. How you will come to know the properties? Click on the OBS icon, and you will and again right click on that, and it will show the properties in some time. Wait for a while. Properties appears. When you click on the properties, this taskbar appears, and here is the compatibility. You have to check the compatibility, and if check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. If you are selected the other one, please change it to Windows 7. That I have changed it already. If you are Windows 8 or else, please change it to the Windows 7. And the next step you have to follow. Also check this box, run this program as an administrator. It should be checked, and if you are unchecked, please check it and click apply, and it will the changes will be applicable. Now you have sort out the compatibility issue. It is the first setting you have got. Okay, and now the next step you have to follow, that you have to go to your NVIDIA graphic control, and to go there you have to right click on your desktop, and appears, and this here appears, and I have already opened that. Here is, and here is the manage 3D settings, and now go to the check this program. If you have the other program, in the first box, OBS should be selected, one that I have selected. All other programs are there, but I have selected the OBS. Make sure that this should appear in this box, and